we have given measure of angle ZLX is 150 degrees. So let me put that this angle has 150 degrees. L is vertex of our angle. What else we have here? Y is interior point of our angle. So we can write that measure of angle ZLX is equal to sum of angles ZLY plus YLX. So we have measure of angle ZLY plus measure of angle YLX. What we have to find here? We have to find X. Now we can substitute measure of angle ZLX by 150 degrees because this is given. Next, measure of angle ZLY is given 40 degrees. And we have that measure of angle YLX is given by this expression. So we have 3x minus 10 degrees. Let's forget about degrees now. And we have 150 is equal 40 plus 3x minus 10. I just take down this parenthesis, and because we have positive sign before parenthesis, so the sign inside parenthesis stay the same. So we have 150 is equal 40 minus 10 is 30 plus 3x. Now I will move 30 to the left side, so we have 150 minus 30 is equal 3x. 150 minus 30 is 120. This is equal 3x. Next, because we have multiplication on the right side, so we can divide both sides by 3. And we can reduce 3 and 3. 120 divided by 3 is 40. So we have that we can change the sides, so x is equal 40. So this is what we have to find. X is equal 40. This is my solution.